Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to reset the Microsoft Office uh, settings. So there are few ways to do this operation. The first one will be to search in for the Office app and right click on it as shown and go to app settings. After that, all you have to do is go and reset the app. After you reset the app, it will delete the old one and ruin the new, set the default ones. There is also a second way to do so. All you have is to click the Windows button plus R, and then you will go uh, to this location. If you didn't know how to, all we are going to write is app data. We are going to the roaming. We will search for Microsoft folder. We click on it. We will search for the Office folder and we will find, uh, uh, I do apologize. Then go to templates. After clicking on Microsoft, go to templates. Here we will find a folder names normal. Just rename it as, for example, we are going to name it old. After that, you click on enter. So the Microsoft Office know that this is a missing file or something this kind, so it will rewrite a new normal or rewrite this same file, and it will be the old settings or the original and default settings. So this is how to reset your Microsoft Office settings. Thank you for watching and goodbye.